Okay, all right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Monday noun. So, mind. The mind. Your ability to think, and feel, feel, feel. Your thoughts, your thoughts, feelings, feelings and perceptions of the world, the way you see and feel and interact with the world. I have a mind. I have a mind. My mind is strong. Strong. Yes, strong. This is what happens when minds come together. Ideas. Yes, when we all think together, when we all come together and think, and think by using our minds, we can come up with new innovations, new ideas and technology, things that didn't exist before. So we have the singular, mind, and minds, which is the plural, 2 plus. Yeah, one mind, two mind. Yes, we have two minds. We are using our minds together. We are using our minds together. Yes, to think and plan and ponder. To think, plan and ponder. Ponder. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? So that mind was weak. He had a weak mind. He had a weak mind. But he improved it through training and learning. Yes, he had a weak mind, but not anymore. It's better and stronger and smarter and faster. Whoops. Oh dear. Okay. Very good. Okay. Right, so I'm learning new things and filling my mind with useful things. So I'm training my mind all the time. I'm filling my mind with useful information. Useful information. Books, topics, lessons, science, podcasts, thoughts, opinions, philosophies. Taking in information all the time and expanding my mind. It is mind expanding ideas and information. Mind expanding. Yeah. How cool is that? He has a very developed mind. Very developed. Very sharp mind. A high IQ, perhaps. Because he has a high IQ, his mind is very developed and sharp. Yes, very sharp. Very intelligent, very smart. On the ball. Yes. Pay attention a lot. Yes. So you might as well have a developed or strong mind, because then you can do more with your life. The smarter you are, the more you can do. The smarter you are, the more you can do. Yeah. So the stronger your mind is, the better. You can recognize cognitive biases, fallacies, and beyond. How cool is that? So the mind, language explorers, ability to think and feel. Yes. think things through and to feel, have empathy and sympathy with people in the world. The mind. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use mind in a sentence? Can you write your own sentence and put it in the comments below? And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. You can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. Yeah, very good. And you can find me on Udemy too. Yeah, just search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.